Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Geek. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your ABIS HD6K 4th generation projector. Factory resetting is when you get a device to go back to its original form. So I'm going to show you how to reset the projector to go back to how it was when you first got it. So that means if you've logged in with your Google account to your Google Play, that will log out. If you have used Netflix and you've logged into Netflix, that will also log out. And even if you've signed into YouTube, that will log out too. Any apps that you have will also be deleted. Everything that you've stored will go. The Wi-Fi that you're connected to, that will go off the projector system, so it won't automatically connect. It will literally wipe everything. Now, this is really good when you have major errors or there's an issue with the operating system. It's not a general thing that you do on a daily basis. So to do this, you go into settings and we're going to go down to storage and reset. Once you get to storage and reset, it will take you to like a little pane, and all you need to do is go down to factory data reset, which is at the bottom. It will take you straight there. It will skip all the other ones, and you click factory data reset, and from there you press erase everything. And once you do that, you'll see that the projector will completely go blank. Now, you don't need to worry, this is literally just the beginning of the process. If you do get worried about this, because it did take a few seconds for each stage, it's fine. That's just the projector literally clearing. And obviously sometimes it is very dependent on how much is already stored on your projector. My projector is pretty almost brand new, so I haven't really got a lot stored, so it should be a quick process for me. But this will stay blank for a few seconds. Then you'll see the Android logo come up saying entering recovery system. That will go, and you'll get all this other stuff. Don't worry about all of that. This is literally just the whole process of the projector doing its work to reset everything and erase all the data that's stored, all the apps, everything. Then the projector will turn off, and once it's turned off, I would say wait a few seconds and then turn it back on. And you can turn it back on with the remote, or you can press the power button on the projector itself, and once you do that, the projector will turn on, and hopefully the loading screen will come up. Yep, okay, so the loading screen has now come up. Usually when you first use the projector, it will be quick, like, the loading screen of ABIS will show up for a bit, and then it will take you to like the main homepage. Well, because we factory reset it, it will take a bit longer, so this part takes a lot longer. If it's taking longer than you think it should, what you can do is at the back of the projector there's a switch for off and on. Just turn it off, wait a few seconds, turn it on, and just wait again and let it load up again, and it would work. Otherwise, for me, it usually works when I factory reset my projector. It doesn't take too long, just longer than usual. So once that has gone past the loading screen, it will take you to another loading part saying Android is starting and optimizing app, whatever number of 23. Now that's just the default apps that are already on the projector itself. Optimizing it, meaning it's literally going to update them and make sure there's no bugs in them or anything, and make sure everything's perfectly fine for when you first use the projector after you've reset it. So this also will take a few seconds as well. Hopefully not too long, but obviously it's a matter of being able to be patient and wait for the projector to reset, because obviously a lot of things would have been used on the projector if you are factory resetting it. So mine's pretty quick. Like I said, I haven't got a lot on the projector right now. So after that, it will finish booting and it will go blank again. And then it will take you back to the home screen. You'll have this grey cover on top telling you like up is for the navigation bar and so on. That's just pretty much telling you basic controls of the remote pretty much. And yeah, and there you have it. You factory resetted your projector. and everything will go back to normal. There will be no data stored on there. There will all your apps that you've downloaded will not be there, and it's pretty much cleared everything. So that's how you factory reset your projector. If you do have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Like and subscribe for new videos using the projector, and I hope you guys have a good day in quarantine. Bye.